Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to be overhauling this Tesla Coil secondary winding winder. When I first built this one I thought I was going to wind maybe 1 or 2 coils, but it turns out I'm going to be winding a few more, so I'd like to make sure this works as good as possible. Alright, in order to make it better, I 3D printed this wheel here that has a belt with teeth on it that can go right over it, and the motor will get a new pinion gear on it, so this will be a lot smoother and hopefully a little bit more gear reduction and more torque. So the large gear needs a little bit more explanation. I knew that the 3D printer was not going to have the accuracy needed to produce the square edges on the teeth just like the belt has. So when I designed this gear, I made circular teeth. This is much more representative of what the 3D printer can actually produce, and the end result works great because there is such a large surface area making contact with the belt. Alright, the motor shaft is not quite big enough for the pinion gear hole, so I'm going to shim it up with some aluminum. Alright, let me load up a piece of PVC pipe and see how it works. have my 24 gauge wire alongside the foot pedal from the sewing machine. Up here on the winder, I've got tape set up as an insurance policy during the winding process. As I wind the wire onto the pipe, I'm going to be putting tape on every inch or so that if something happens or I need to leave, that the wire wound onto the pipe will not come off. All right, that about wraps it up. If you want to see what this Tesla coil secondary is going to be used for, please hit the subscribe button. I've got a couple more high voltage videos coming your way. Thank you very much.